The MSD of Martinsville is introducing a new way to recognize the incredible dedication and commitment of the MSD staff, Artesian Splash. Each month, a staff member will be randomly selected to receive a fun surprise as a gesture of appreciation. There's no application or nomination process, just continue to be excellent and the chance to be splashed with recognition. Stay tuned, the very first Artesian Splash is coming your way.
I couldn't believe how kind and wonderful all the people are here and how accepting everybody was. And in no time at all, I had so many friends and everyone treated me like family. And the kids, oh my gosh, the kids at the schools, they're amazing. Being someplace where you know that you matter to the kids and they matter to you, it's the best.